Make sure that you have the correct version of Node installed. So I got Node 16. It's recommended that you should have a Node version higher than 8.11. Well, it's better to have the latest Node version. After confirming this, let's install Vue CLI. We have to install Vue CLI as a global package. Vue CLI package installation is complete. Let's verify the version of Vue. Okay, so we have installed 4.5 version. Vue CLI installation is complete, and we'll see in future videos how we can use it to create Vue projects. Thank you for watching.